Good afternoon mga katubero. Ngayong araw po ay andito po kami sa Campbelltown. Tumitingin po ng second hand na sasakyan. Kasi June na po na palitan na yung aming sasakyan dahil 9 years na po. Po, andito po kami sa Best Buy Autos.
Definitely look after you if you bring me before.
Oh, second time. This would be the third time.
If you want warranty, I'll give you half price on warranty. Whether you get 1, 3 or 5, half price I'll give you. I'll remember that. Even if you get the Jeep, Toyota, whatever you get, I'll give you good warranty, good price.
Bali, pangatlo na pong beses namin bumili ng second hand car po dito sa shop nito. Kasi napakaganda po ng kanilang mga used cars. Ano po. Dito lang po ito sa Campbelltown po. Campbelltown City. Dito po sa Sydney.
I've got the van, big
Yeah.
the van, the Hyundai Ioniq. That's 9 seat.
Pasensya na po, medyo mainit ang araw.
No, it's big.
Sobra.
I'm saying, yeah, that's an
How
option.
much is that? Next one.
I think 20.
Around there, isn't it?
No, the black one. The black
And the black.
That's the big one.
Yung mga kaklani.
23 grand.
23 grand ko no.
May presyo to my tin. Is it open? Can I open it? Now I'm scared to open because it might be.
Very roomy.
Yes.
Very, very roomy, brother. Come see. This is mad if you go away too. Diesel. Yeah.
Ano,
Very
anong mas
spicy.
gusto mo din?
Look how deep it is. Look. See? Very roomy, man. You can put this seat even more back. You know what I mean? Look, armrest, everything. Even in the back. And look at the back, boss. You've got room in the boot. Look at the boot. It's got room. You know what I mean? I'd love this for my family, but my wife doesn't know how to drive big cars. Yeah.
My first car that I bought it's Hyundai. And then that one. The one now. And then you can power bank.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it.
But very roomy. This is the IMAX. So it's made for family, big families. Yep, okay. Double entry. You can enter from there or here. You know what I mean? 2 entry.
It's good.
Electronic. The door is not electronic.
No, but look, it's very soft. It's soft,
Yeah.
not hard. You can make electronic if you want. It just costs more money. that way.
It should be a big car because our family
Yeah.
it's like a Tarunga Zoo. They are all big.
No, I come from big family. I know, man. We used to have the Taragos back then.
Oh, the Taragos.
Remember the Tarago?
Yeah.
Toyota. That one's nice too. Beautiful, that. The Kia, you look at that.
Yeah, really, I like that one because it's more luxurious.
They're very in now, this one. Very, very in.
So what happened to the reputation of Kia though? Because remember when they had the Kia Rio back in the States? and
the Kia Rio is a little
yeah,
car.
like they fell
Now
apart.
Kia is up there, brother.
Yeah.
Kia, Hyundai even.
Yeah.
Before no one used to look at. Now it's all Kia and Hyundai. Look, I got all Kia, Hyundai. Hyundai, you know?
Korean
Because they're
cars,
good.
you know?
Yeah, they're
I like
good. I've got one myself. I got a Kia Sorento.
Sorento.
Yeah, limited, the top of the line, but everything. Diesel,
That's the 7-seater.
correct. They're a little SUV, not a big one. They're
Yeah.
probably that size, this size. 7-seater.
Nice. Alright, so we're gonna decide on it tonight.
Yeah,
You want
come.
a
Yeah, of course. Yeah, sure.
dito na.
Dadi may isa na ano no iurong ni dati dito donan. Kastilangan is 50 pagkabila.
Adi no, DJ
Driver. Di driver seat.
Di kastoy.
Buwan di driver seat na yorong mo.
Oh.
Aje pag
Kuan,
Tugaw?
basit lang kit ko na.
kastilangan space na na eh.
Hindi. Pwede na ito ay uno di hiundingan di black na pa.
Okay po, maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo ng aking video dito po sa Best Buy Auto Shop po ng Campbelltown. Kami po tumitingin na ng bagong sasakyan. Hindi naman po bago kung yung second hand na sasakyan po. Okay po, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video at please lang po, hingi lang po ako ng pabor sa inyo na like, share and subscribe na rin po ng aking munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Bye bye po.